My name is Rishabh Kukreja and I'm a director at Mintoy Private Limited. This is my testimonial for ERPNext and the implementation partners Software at Work India. Toy manufacturing is an extremely complex manufacturing environment. My unit in particular is a multi-process manufacturing unit with a high variety of products, all of them going through a non-standardized array of processes. This is extremely tricky to capture in an ERP software. ERPNext is one of those few softwares that can do this, and it can do this cost effectively. I'd like to thank Software at Work India for helping me implement this software based on my requirements. I'd like to thank Jinal Shah and Ankita Patikar in particular. I had taken a number of consultation sessions thinking I'll take a while to understand the intricacies and the complexities of the software, but they were extremely effective in their explanations. They were extremely succinct to the point and allowed me to get a grasp of the software without utilizing too many sessions. Since I had a lot of consultations sessions left over, they also helped me customize the software based on my environment to try and make my staff's life as easy as possible. It's difficult to implement a project like this, but it's even more difficult to have an entire manufacturing staff embrace and accept this project. And I don't think this would have been possible without the help of Software at Work India. Thank you.